So today I received this amazing AI earphones and I'm so excited to make a quick review of this AI earphones and show whether it's worth buying or not. I will also show you how to pair it with your iPhone, the features of these earphones and more. So let's get started. What makes this earphone amazing is that it comes with real-time translation, adaptive noise cancellation, long battery life and fast charging, AI smart assistant, hi-fi audio quality and more. Engineering for the modern listener. This smart earphones does more than just play music. It enhances your entire audio experience with real-time translation, noise cancellation, and voice assistant integration. This AI earphones adapts to your environment and needs instantly. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, let's open this. As you see, AI earphone. Okay, this is the earphones. It looks cool. Okay, here below we have the charger. Okay, it uses Type-C. This is pretty cool. Here we have instructions manual. It has all the information you want about this earphone. Okay, let's take the earphones and wow, it looks really good. Let's open it and as you see, it looks amazing. Here we have the battery level light. The first impression is really good. Let's take out the earphones out of the box and I think it uses magnetic charger. So this is the earphone. It really looks pretty and it has pretty shape for your ears. So that's all what we have. I think this smart AI earphones comes with an individual app. Here as you see it has an app called V-Trans. It works on both iOS and Android. Okay, I'm gonna scan the QR code with my iPhone to download the app. Okay, once you scan the code it will take you to this page. Okay, this is the app. I'm downloading it. So I will back once downloaded. So this is the earphones. The quality is really interesting. Here we have a button. I think this button is for turning on and off the earphones. So this earphones comes with high precision multi-language translation, supports real-time two-way translation in more than 150 languages, including Chinese, English, Japanese, and more. Okay, so here we have the Type-C charger. You can plug it on the right side here as you see. Okay, so the app has been downloaded. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, this is the app and this is the main interface. Now I'm gonna show you how to connect the earphones to your iPhone. Okay, so here you can select the device you are using. It has translation earphones, translation glasses, and Bluetooth translator. Since I have the translation earphones, I will select it. Okay, now press on connect to connect the earphones. Make sure to turn on the Bluetooth. If you can't see the earphones, make sure to turn it on by pressing the button here on this earphone. Once turned on, you should see light flashing several times as you see. This is it. Go ahead and connect to it. Okay, it's now connected. So let's go back to the app. Now it will connect to the earphones automatically. Okay, it's now connected with the app. Now I'm gonna quickly explain the app features. So the first thing we have here is simultaneous interpretation. With this option, you can speak with any language you want and the app will translate to another language. This is a real-time form of interpretation where the interpreter translates a speaker's message into another language while the speaker is still talking. Hello guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to buy this smart earpods. So it's a useful option to speak with anyone who don't speak your language. Okay, with photo translation option, you can quickly translate any text from your camera. From here, you can change the language. So here, make sure to select the source language and the target language. Once you select the language, go ahead and translate any text using your camera. It will translate it to your language easily. With external translation option here, you can talk and the app will translate the text directly, but you will hear it on your earphones. It's just like the text speech. Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you enjoy watching this video. I am now listening to the translation on my earphones. So this is very useful when you talk to anyone who doesn't speak your language. Anyone can speak in his language and you will hear it in your language on your earphones. Anyone can speak in his language and you will hear it in your language on your earphones. That's cool, right? With Dutch translation, you can simply talk and get instantly translation, convenient music and call management, clear voice pickup and noise reduction. Dutch translation typically refers to a feature in translation apps that allows users to get instant translations by simply tapping or selecting text on their screen, providing a quick and convenient way to understand foreign language content. In offline translation, you can download languages to use it with offline translation. So as you can see, simply download any language you want and then you can use it for the offline translation without internet. This is pretty cool. And finally, with audio and video translation, this makes it easy to make a phone call or video call with your friends or anyone and talk with different languages. This makes it easy to make a phone call or video call with your friends or anyone and talk with different languages. Simply select your language and the other person's language and start talking directly with your language and the other person will hear it in his language. So this is like real-time translation. The AI Earphone supports live voice translation in multiple languages, making communication seamless during international travel or multilingual meetings. The earphone also comes with adaptive noise cancellation, so say goodbye to background noise. The last thing we have in this app is the AI Smart Assistant. With this Smart Assistant, you can ask it any question and it will answer your questions. You can also press and hold to speak and ask questions with your voice, all with simple voice commands. So this is the Smart AI Earphone. Here is a quick remember of its features. High precision multi-language translation, supports real-time two-way translation in more than 150 languages, 6 intelligent translation modes, speaker mode, offline translation, and more. 3-in-1 function, 14.2mm speaker and 4 microphones provide clear audio, combining translation, music playback, and call functions, comfortable open ear cup design, lightweight, IPX7 waterproof rating, secure silicone ear hook for all-day wear, stable connection, smart touch controls, convenient music and call management, clear voice pickup and noise reduction. It's perfect for language learners or travelers, fitness lovers, or anyone who wants the smartest earphone experience. You will find the link below the video if you want to buy this AI earphone. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.